the wireless strobe siren. This is working with Tuya, and this one is smart alarm system. So what I want to do with this is to connect this siren, the big one, to my Tuya alarm. The home alarm siren is very, very low noise. So I use this loud one as the additional. So I'm going to press this one and hold it. Okay, so it's blinking. So we go to Tuya, and we're going to add. Okay, so we're going to go to sensor, and we go to alarm Wi-Fi, and we're going to choose, okay, dog and monkey, and we go next, and we need to reset the device first. So we're going to press this one and hold it. Okay, so it's blinking. Okay, so it found a strobe alarm. So we're going to set this one in the second bedroom is okay. Wow, it's very nice. Okay, so now we need to pair sensor with it, okay? Yeah, with the one of the remote that we have. So let's add accessory, and now we're going to press the lock. So here's accessory, add. So it's flashing.
There's like a little shelf, right? And it's black.
Now we're going to test after we added 2 detector and 1 of the motion detector. So it's very simple. We turn on the Tuya Smart, and we go to the Wi-Fi Strobe Siren alarm, and when we leave home we just click. So now it's on. The important thing is this: you have to set so that exit delay is 0 second, entry delay is 0 second, because we're going to use the remote before we get into the house anyhow. The alarm duration is we're going to set it for 3 minutes, and this one is really loud. Okay, so now let's open the door, the sensor. Very good. Disarm, so loud. So this one cost me 18 bucks. But because I already have all these sensors from so I use the same sensors for the different alarm for the house. So they use the same one. So we have 2 alarms using the same sensors. So it's very nice. So Tuya Smart app is really good. So the first thing we want to do is to set it up. So click this, add it, and this one right here, we can check the device network. We can use Alexa with this one too, and we create the group. We can add to multifunction alarm, so we have 2 alarms. So the home alarm. Okay. So when you click the home alarm, both of them will be on. So go back to setting. Make it 3 minutes. Perfect. So now if we click home arm, everything is gonna be on. This arm.